Guys, this is the bonus video. As you can see, I've collected a bunch of huge stuff, a broken up chair here, something that says Camp Kids on here. I don't know what the fuck, little branches going out my ass. So this is the bonus video where I show you some of the big giant shit that they get. Someone even still have it there. Yeah, maybe we can get a closer look. A bike kickstand. What the fuck? Why would anyone disassemble a bike and put the kickstand down there? Holy shit, let's go find the bag. We did this. People are morons. People are really morons. Bunch of fucking morons. And they got rope in here because I know why. There's a little campsite right here. People are just fucking morons. They clearly don't give a shit. And there's litter everywhere. Found another piece. Look at it. Look at it. Who are the dipshits who keep doing this? Maybe they should be forced to do community service and clean up this shit. Some kids hang out here. I saw some kids once hang out in a different section over there, which in this bonus video I will do. I'll try not to make this bonus video a little too long. Also, maybe some blippers. Bloop. Shit. So fucking weird. Bonus and bloopers. Oh, Jesus. Great. I care about the environment, yet I'm snapping twigs. Like I snap necks. Alright, so we're going to leave the bag there for a second. And I'm going to show you guys a different section of this woods that is still polluted. Oh my god, a fucking sock. Someone didn't even bother taking their clothes back home with them. Or at least an article of clothing. Here we go. Follow a trail. I wish I would have had this phone when I went camping on my trip to West Virginia. You guys could have seen the incredible shitty-ass rain that was here. So you can get a wide view. It's a beautiful day. Oh my god, I love it. We're out here in Mother Nature, and we're enjoying her. She's enjoying us. At least I hope. Oops. He's not planning to kill us. Maybe I passed it. I thought I could hear voices. You're just hallucinating. Is this seriously a measuring tape? Yeah, it is. This is one of the other sections. Again, it's got a lot of force in here. This is the section where I went at one. I hope I didn't wreck my jammies. Okay. Anywho, sorry. This is another section of the park area. It's a lot of crab apples. Trees must be. It's beautiful. It's absolutely wonderful. The animals are probably all around here. My gotta pee. It's not appropriate, it's gone. And you can see some kids might have hung out here, built like a little fire pit. It's just utter shit. Getting a good panoramic view. I'm gonna keep this at least 6 minutes long, so thank you for watching this. This has been the bonus video. I showed you some of the big stuff and other parts of this forest area that are somewhat still polluted or need to be taken care of. So once again, I can't stress enough the message: take care of your local parks and your environment. You know, help, volunteer at an animal shelter, do something for this world, and it will give back to you. Show love to it, and it will show love to you. You know, let's bond with nature. So thank you very much. I appreciate this, and goodbye.